Imagine a world where art is no longer limited by human imagination, where creativity knows no bounds, and where the possibilities are endless. With the emergence of generative AI art, that world is now a reality, and it's changing the way we think about art, design, and even technology itself. Generative AI art uses complex algorithms and neural networks to create unique, often stunning pieces of art that are not only visually striking but also thought-provoking. From paintings and sculptures to music and literature, generative AI art is pushing the boundaries of what we consider art and challenging our perceptions of creativity and originality. One of the most fascinating aspects of generative AI art is its ability to learn from existing styles and create new ones. By analyzing vast amounts of data, these algorithms can identify patterns and trends in art history, from the brushstrokes of Van Gogh to the abstract expressionism of Pollock. They can then use this knowledge to generate new pieces that are not only inspired by the past but also uniquely contemporary. This has led to some amazing collaborations between human artists and AI algorithms, resulting in works that are both innovative and thought-provoking. But generative AI art is not just about creating new styles or mimicking existing ones, it's also about exploring new forms of creativity and self-expression. For example, some AI algorithms can generate music that is not only pleasant to listen to but also tailored to our personal preferences. Others can create poetry and short stories that are both meaningful and emotionally resonant. This raises interesting questions about the nature of creativity and whether machines can truly be considered creative in the classical sense. As we delve deeper into the world of generative AI art, we begin to realize that it's not just about the art itself, but about the conversations it sparks and the questions it raises. Can machines truly create art, or are they simply manipulating existing ideas and styles? Is generative AI art a threat to human creativity, or does it offer new opportunities for collaboration and innovation? These are just some of the questions that we'll be exploring in this video, and we'll be looking at some amazing examples of generative AI art along the way. From the surreal landscapes of AI-generated paintings to the haunting melodies of AI-composed music, we'll be taking a journey through the fascinating world of generative AI art. We'll be talking to artists, designers, and technologists who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, and we'll be exploring the potential applications of this technology in fields such as advertising, entertainment, and education. Whether you're an art lover, a tech enthusiast, or simply someone who's curious about the future of creativity, this video is for you. As we explore the world of generative AI art, we'll also be looking at some of the challenges and limitations of this technology. For example, how do we ensure that AI-generated art is not only aesthetically pleasing but also meaningful and relevant? How do we address concerns about authorship and ownership in a world where machines are creating art? And what are the potential risks and downsides of relying on AI algorithms to generate our art and entertainment? Despite these challenges, the potential of generative AI art is undeniable. It's a technology that's not only changing the way we create and experience art, but also forcing us to rethink our assumptions about creativity, originality, and what it means to be human. As we move forward into a future where AI is increasingly integrated into our lives, it's essential that we have a nuanced and informed conversation about the role of technology in art and creativity. By exploring the possibilities and limitations of generative AI art, we can gain a deeper understanding of the complex relationships between humans, machines, and creativity. So if you're as fascinated by generative AI art as I am, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on this topic and others related to technology, art, and innovation. Let's keep the conversation going and explore the endless possibilities of this emerging field together.